Guku ni kwa Kikuyu podcast. Wamuthende ni ekorete Haceke muno. Rikana thutha wa Wamuthende ucinda na njira ya kiriga, na njira iria andu monete ni wici wekikire, Wamuthende ni okite na kera andu atiriri ati muthenya wa rucio we Sunday ni agathie Thanksgiving thiini wa kanitha umwe kuria mwena wa mbere. No thiini wa comment section andu ni mokite na makamukirira na njira nene muno. Majority ya andu maramuri atiriri, urathie Thanksgiving wika atia? Yet kura ni kuyiro wa yiro ni andu mamwe thiini wa comment section na iguthoma thaa ici muone. Angi makamwira atiriri, Thanksgiving for what? Which victory are you talking about? Mundu uria ari acinde Newton Karish ni utunyo atunyikithio uhotani wake yuri wa Wamuthende ugite then tuingire na inyue imwe kwa imwe thiini wa conversation mwene uria wakanite. Ladies and gentlemen, Wamuthende athite thiini wa page yake agapostio, join us tomorrow at ACK Church Kogari and later at EAPC Muthaveri in Ivulore Ward as we celebrate and give thanks to God for our victory. Shakauga ni agathie thiini wa kanitha, ni agathie thiini wa ward iretwo Muthanthara Vulole Ward ati go celebrate otani wake. Comment ya mbere mundu amuria, which Thanksgiving and you know what happened bana. System tukubali ni ya Rejection. Ati Thanksgiving shanako na ni ure wathi na mbere mundu akamwira system ni ya Rejection. Lakini ikoke muone uri andu mamwirite. Hena mundu mwirite bloody victory. Ugia kamwira Monday to court. Which victory? Ugia kamwira which victory origi? You thank God for stealing successfully? Ugia kamuria which victory are you talking about? Kuri mundu umurite atiriri, what are you celebrating? Na ni kuwekwa uliwekwa na ruku kilazima. Ugia kamwira I know leo get this far is God maze, let's give him a Thanksgiving like one leper. Ugia kamwira which victory? The congregation should not attend the congregation which victory? The congregation should not attend the service. Actually, you break one of the commandments. Thou shalt never steal. Which victory? Wamuthendes. Which victory? Jira mwirore uri andu maramura guku. Ugiakamwira some solve lawyer is heading to court. Isn't it a bit early to celebrate? Modamura netena go celebrate lawyers Monday megotini. Wait court, you won't sit on that seat till kesi ishi. Of course, that's what will happen. Sabithia gaivio wezi wakubwa. Shinimu udora mwira for which victory? Kuna modo ugete, this is mockery to God. Thank yourself guys. Msiende lana. Modo mweta congratulations and glory to God. The best the best move you have made, sir. Thank God for the victory. All the best, Muhesh. God bless you, Muhesh. No, a majority thiini wa comment section hiyo nego komithia marakomithia ohorocio. Now what will happen, ladies and gentlemen? Mwona thiini wa comment hiyo hena mundu amwe atiriri nete na mugo celebrate na no wikare gite kiu. And of course na kaundu ndirona Wamuthende ni auga ni athi go celebrate, but from my point of view ni abe arore ground uri akuri. Ni auga ni agathie thiini wa kiaro kimwe muthenya wa rucio go celebrate, but muthenya wa rucio no tune Muthende agi trend in a negative way, not celebration but in a negative way. No go thiugo by the way. Kwena igotini kana igotini kurathio ni kuthira Muthende giti kiu ndagaikarira. The moment shira wabia ndagikarira giti kiu oro uguo till shira uthire. So egukorwo tu parking gutiri undu arikaga ni ahotanire no cira we igoti-ini na ndungikaira giti cira we igoti-ini kana tiguo. Tutiwe by the end of it all uria igoti rigatua, but of course kwina evidence ya kuigana kura ni ciathogirwo, kwina evidence ya kuigana kwina malpractices ciendereire kuria mwena wa mbere north. Umuthi ni nyoni Wamuthende akiaria mumana Dennis Tumbi nake na ungirorire thura ciao matiuma andu akenu. As we speak ndirona Kindiki akiaria muno ni mambite gukira niki marakira because they know awa inaenda kotini. By the end of it all mundu witwo Muthende ni kwamba kurugamio kwamba kuingira thiini wa bunge, so they have no reason to celebrate. They know what happened. Na giko ithurano ici agiko mekira maundu maya undu uria wonekanire kana kwiko kurecirwo na kwina evidence ya kuigana, they know very well guti handu Muthende wao arathi. Igotha riria inene rigakorwo riho ni igoti riuge ithurano icio citiathire na njira iria yagiriire, mauge it's null and void. Igakorwo ri igotha inene muno wi thirikari na kwi mwena wa Muthende. As we speak, Newton Karish ndagetikire any offer from the government, ndakagerie gwitikira any offer from the government. Ni atere cira uyu uthire tondu cira uyu ndirona ugifavor Muthende because by the end of it all Kariuki no etwo erwo atiriri nina icira itondu mundu gwitwo Newton Karish ni ekuhanda cira igoti-ini no etwo erwo nina cira, but ndagetikire. Let him fight till the end. Karish ena opportunity njega muno ya gukana cira giti kia mbere north mwaka wa 2027. So he should not accept anything from this regime. The moment I accept anything from this regime in form of even cash nekwenina politically na giti giki ni agakioya mwaka wa 2027. Muthende hau ni undu wa maundu ni thirikari na mbeca iria ciaitirwo kuria mbere ndangiriho by the way. So Newton Karish ena a chance nene muno ya gukana cira mwaka wa 2027. So ndagetikire anything etirwo ni regime eno. By the way, Karish, don't accept at all, because if you accept utajimaliza, yet you have a chance mwaka wa 2027. Toroguo tu cira no tuo wage ufavor Muthende, and of course it won't favor Muthende, it won't favor him. Anyway guys, uone wa podcast mwani manyu mraiko inywe hauwe murona atia. Thank you, gamatina mathime guys, it is what it is, kwani iko nini. Thank you, God bless you.